Welcome to this course on Marketing AI for Executives. I'm your instructor, Christina Inge, and over the next few weeks, we'll explore how artificial intelligence is reshaping marketing strategy, execution, and leadership. But first, let's clear up the confusion. Marketing AI isn't the Terminator taking over your marketing department, and it's not a magic wand that'll triple your conversion rates overnight. What it is, however, is like having a brilliant research assistant who never sleeps, processes information at lightning speed, and can spot patterns in your customer data that would take your team months to identify. So what exactly is marketing AI? Think of it as three distinct capabilities working together. First, there's pattern recognition, like Netflix figuring out you love true crime documentaries after you binge-watched 3 in a row. Second, there's prediction, like Amazon knowing you're about to run out of coffee before you do. Third, there's personalization, like Spotify creating a playlist that feels custom-made for your exact mood and music taste. Here's a concrete example. Sephora's AI analyzes millions of customer photos, purchase histories, and product reviews to recommend the perfect foundation shade for each customer. It's not just looking at skin tone. It's considering undertones, coverage preferences, past purchases, and even seasonal changes in complexion. That's marketing AI in action. But here's what marketing AI is not. It's not going to write the next Just Do It campaign like Nike had. It's not going to understand why your customers feel emotional about your brand. And it's definitely not going to replace the human insight that turns data into compelling stories. Think of marketing AI like a Formula One race car. It can go incredibly fast and handle massive amounts of data, but it still needs a skilled driver to navigate the track, make strategic decisions, and know when to brake for the curves. The car amplifies the driver's capabilities, but it doesn't replace them. Consider this real-world scenario. Starbucks uses AI to analyze weather patterns, local events, and historical purchase data to predict demand at each location. On a rainy Tuesday in Seattle, their AI might predict 40% more hot coffee sales and 20% fewer frappuccinos. But it takes human judgment to decide whether to staff more baristas or simply adjust the menu recommendations that people might see, for instance, in the app. The most successful companies don't view AI as a replacement technology. They view it as a multiplication technology. Coca-Cola uses AI to analyze social media sentiment and predict which flavors will trend in different regions. But humans still decide which flavors align with the brand strategy and which marketing messages will resonate emotionally with customers. Here's the key insight. Marketing AI excels at the what and the when. What customers are likely to do and when they're likely to do it. Humans excel at the why and the how. Why customers behave certain ways and how to connect with them emotionally. Marketing AI is most powerful when it's the wind beneath your wings, not the pilot of your plane. The leaders who will thrive in the AI era are those who understand both the horsepower of these technologies and the guardrails needed to keep them on track. The future of marketing isn't human versus machine. It's human with machine, like a jazz musician with a perfectly tuned instrument. Let's explore how to make that music together.